Stop for a moment. Imagine waking up tomorrow to breaking global news. Reports say a sudden military conflict has begun between Iran and the United States. Military radar systems detect missile launches across the Middle East. Air defense systems immediately activate across the region. American military bases move to their highest alert levels. Command centers begin tracking every aircraft and the missile. Because in modern warfare, decisions must be made within seconds. Iran possesses one of the largest missile arsenals in the region. Many of these missiles can travel hundreds of miles. Some could threaten nearby military installations. Meanwhile, American naval forces patrol nearby waters. Aircraft carriers carry dozens of advanced fighter jets. These jets can deploy rapidly within minutes. Satellite systems monitor every movement from space. Intelligence teams analyze the situation in real time. News networks across the world interrupt regular broadcasts. Breaking headlines spread across televisions and the phones. Social media fills with video and the speculation. People everywhere begin asking the same question. Could this conflict expand beyond the region? Iran has invested heavily in drone technology. These drones can travel long distances with precision. Some can reach targets without pilots. Meanwhile, American defense systems prepare countermeasures. Missile defense batteries monitor incoming threats. Intercept systems attempt to stop missiles in flight. Bright flashes appear in the night sky during interceptions. Some threats are destroyed before reaching targets. But not every missile can be stopped. Across the region, emergency sirens begin sounding. Citizens move towards shelters and the secure areas. Local authorities issue safety instructions. Airspace across the Middle East becomes extremely restricted. Commercial flights begin rerouting around the conflict zone. Airlines cancel several routes to the region. Global transportation networks begin feeling the impact. Meanwhile, financial markets react quickly. Investors grow uncertain about future stability. Stock markets around the world begin fluctuating. Energy markets respond even faster. The Middle East produces a large portion of global oil. Any conflicts can affect supply. Oil prices begin rising sharply. Gas prices could increase across many countries. Meanwhile, diplomatic channels remain active. World leaders call for calm and negotiation. International organizations urge restraint. Because escalation could affect many nations. Military alliances monitor the situation carefully. Additional forces might deploy to the region. Naval fleets reposition strategically. Air patrols increase across nearby airspace. Cybersecurity teams prepare for possible digital attacks. Modern wars often include cyber warfare. Government networks strengthen their defenses. Infrastructure systems receive additional protection. Banks and the financial systems increase security measures. Meanwhile, citizens across the region prepare for uncertainty. Families store food and the essential supplies. Supermarkets experience sudden demand. Traffic increases as some people leave cities. Border checkpoints become crowded. Governments implement additional security procedures. Military patrols increase along strategic routes. Meanwhile, diplomats continue urgent negotiations. Private communication channels remain open. Because avoiding wider conflict is the highest priority, history shows many crises were resolved diplomatically. Even during moments of extreme tension, leaders sometimes step back from escalation. Because the consequences of major war could be enormous. Global markets could face long-term instability. Energy supplies might be disrupted worldwide. Entire regions could experience economic shock. Millions of lives could be affected. The political landscape could change for decades. That is why international diplomacy remains critical. Communication between governments continues constantly. Because misunderstandings during crisis can be dangerous, careful decisions become extremely important. Military leaders evaluate every possible scenario. Diplomats search for peaceful solutions. Because preventing escalation benefits everyone. The world has faced dangerous moments before. But cooperation has often prevented larger conflicts. Ultimately, the future depends on decisions made by leaders. And the hope is that diplomacy will prevail. Because the cost of large-scale war would be too high for humanity. So the real question remains. If conflict between America and Iran started tomorrow, how far would it spread? And could the war prevent it from becoming something much larger?